Up on top of this bulletin, we're tracking all the updates on the Sansad Showdown. Well, the Lok Sabha witnessed a fierce face-off between the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and BJP-led centre. Rahul Gandhi made a religious attack against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, the statement triggered BJP and created a ruckus in the House. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh hit back strongly to Gandhi's speech in the parliament, accusing the leader of opposition of insulting all the Hindus. Rahul's sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra later defended her brother and said that Rahul did not insult Hindus. His attack was against the BJP. Today, now PM is also likely to address the NDA parliamentary meeting at around 9:30 AM.
ये विषय बहुत गंभीर है। पूरे हिंदू समाज को हिंसक कहना ये गंभीर विषय है।
इस देश में शायद इनको मालूम नहीं है, करोड़ों लोग अपने आप को गर्व से हिंदू कहते हैं, गर्व से हिंदू कहते हैं। क्या वो सभी लोग हिंसा की बात करते हैं, हिंसा करते हैं? हिंसा की भावना को किसी धर्म के साथ जोड़ना और ये सदन में और संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे हुए व्यक्ति ने, मैं मानता हूं मान्यवर, उन्होंने इसकी माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
मेरे भाई कभी हिंदुओं का अपमान नहीं कर सकते। बहुत स्पष्ट बोला है उन्होंने बीजेपी के बारे में बोला है, उन्होंने बीजेपी के नेताओं के बारे में बोला है।
श्री राहुल गांधी के इस बयान ने, जिसमें हिंदुओं को बारे में जो टिप्पणियां की हैं, यह सत्य से परे भारत की मूल आत्मा को लहूलुहान करने जैसा है। भारत माता के लहूलुहान करने के इस प्रकार के दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बयान के लिए श्री राहुल गांधी को देश की जनता से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
What we have requested, Honorable Speaker, from the floor of the House is that all those unverified statements made by Rahul Gandhi, we have challenged instantly. So we have made a request to Honorable Speaker to pass a direction that if we have made a unverified statement, then we are ready to take a corrective course. But if the leader of opposition has made or he has lied on the floor of the House, then he has to face the rules and regulations of the House. So we have made a request to Honorable Speaker. He had already assured on the floor of the House that he will pass a necessary and appropriate direction on that regard.
Rahul Gandhi's attack on Hindus, what would you want to say?
The hatred of the Congress party and especially the Nehru Gandhi Parivar towards the Hindus is well known. And today, in his very maiden speech in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi has called and referred to all Hindus as practitioners of violence. This is deplorable, highly condemnable. This is an insult to Hindus all over the world. For always, as long as there is recorded history, Hindus have always been a people who have practiced ahimsa, who have practiced respect towards all. And labeling Hindus as practitioners of violence is an insult to the institutional memory, the civilization memory of all Hindus. The Congress party and Rahul Gandhi must offer an unconditional apology to all Hindus for this grave insult.